Is that a baby?
What is that, Rosa?
Baby.
It's your baby?
Yeah.
Pick up the neck.
What's
Pick up the neck.
is it a girl or boy?
I think you had a miscarriage.
What's wrong with it?
You gotta take it to the hospital?
Pick up the neck.
Oh, poor baby.
Poor baby.
Okay, go get to grandma. Go
Go.
get to grandma. Grandma's gonna help it.
Go. Grandma's gonna go. Don't poke the eye, girl. Go get to
Go get to
grandma.
grandma. Grandma's gonna help the baby. Grandma's gonna help the baby. Go get to grandma.
Oh,
Say,
finally.
Grandma, help the baby.
Lick the baby.
A ver, mi güey.
Lick.
Camiche.
Ah.
Slap el de acá. Sí, like the acá.
Altet en inglés, mami. Altet en inglés. We eat.
Ik, mañana. Ik, mañana.
Oh, Hannah.
It's chicken.
It's roasted.